Hello everyone, I welcome all of you in this lecture. Today we will going to see the synthesis of minus ribosine B molecule reported by D.R. Boyd and co-workers in the Journal of Organic Chemistry in 2019. It is my request to all students, please refer this research article for the chemoenzymatic synthesis of minus ribosine A and B molecules. In the first step, dibenzofuran on reaction with TDO, that is toluene dioxygenase enzyme in presence of oxygen, offered cis dihydrodiol. So here that double bond will selectively undergo dihydroxylation into corresponding cis diol. This cis-diol compound on reaction with acetone in presence of weak acid like PPTS, that is pyridinium paratoluene sulfonate, in presence of DMP, that is des-Martin per iodinane, there is formation of acetonide alkene intermediate. So here that diol will undergo protection in the form of cyclic ketal. In next step, this acetonide alkene compound on cis dihydroxylation using Upjohn dihydroxylation condition, that is using osmium tetroxide in presence of NMNO, there is formation of cis diol. In next step, acetonide cis diol containing compound on reaction with anisaldehyde dimethyl acetal in presence of camphor sulfonic acid at minus 15 degrees Celsius temperature offered exoendo mixture of anisylidine acetal diastereomer. So this is the mixture of exoendo compound. Here we can refer A and B. That R1 in one compound may be PMP and R2 may be hydrogen. In second compound, that R1 is hydrogen and that R2 is PMP. PMP means para-methoxyphenyl. PMP means para-methoxyphenyl. If that B compound can be separated from the mixture and if it was allowed to react with diabal as a reducing reagent, there is formation of unwanted PMB ether compound. This original mixture of acetal diastereomers on reduction with diabal, that is diisobutyl aluminum hydride, at minus 78 degrees Celsius temperature undergo reduction into corresponding easily separable mixture of alcohol. So under diabal reducing condition, that bond will undergo cleavage into corresponding alcohol. So here again there is formation of mixture of alcohol that can be easily separable. So here in one compound, that R2 may be hydrogen, or in next compound that R2 may be PMB. Here PMB refers para-methoxybenzyl. So there is cleavage of this bond and there is generation of PMB group, that is para-methoxybenzyl. This compound containing R2 as a hydrogen, that is here we have OH, on reaction with sodium hydride, that is NaH, in presence of methyl iodide, will convert into corresponding methyl ether. So here that compound containing R2 as a hydrogen, that is OH, on methylation offered methyl ether. So this methyl ether compound on reaction with trifluoroacetic acid, that acetal group undergo cleavage and there is formation of cis diol. So this is simple deprotection of cyclic ketal using acidic condition like trifluoroacetic acid in presence of THF water solvent system, and there is generation of cis diol. Then this cis diol on chemoselective oxidation using oxone, TEMPO, TBAP, there is formation of alpha hydroxy ketone. So selectively this OH will undergo oxidation into corresponding ketone. This alpha hydroxy ketone, this is ketone, this is alpha carbon carrying OH. This is therefore it is called as alpha hydroxy ketone. This alpha hydroxy ketone on again methylation with methyl iodide in presence of silver oxide form methyl ether. So here that OH will react with methyl iodide and there is formation of methyl ether, that is OMe. This compound on reaction with DDQ in presence of CH2Cl2 water solvent system, there is formation of minus ribosine B molecule. So here on oxidative cleavage using DDQ, that PMB group will convert into OH. So this is removal of PMB group using DDQ. So this is the synthesis of minus B ribosine molecule reported by Dr. Boyd and co-workers. Thank you.